Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Amelia. My name is Anissa Putri Wandari. So we are from Group 9, and today we would like to present about the similarities and differences, or the comparison of features in Indonesia and also Netherlands. Alright, so the first 5 elements will be explained by me, and the other one will be explained by Anissa. So let's start with the first one, which is feature profession. So the similarity is both countries, Indonesia and Netherlands, will recognize teacher as a professional career that is needed higher education. For example, in Indonesia, it is required S1 or bachelor's degree, and also certification, for example, like professional education program like PPG. And in Netherlands, it is required HBO. So HBO is Dutch, which is Cooperative Onderwijs. It is the University of Applied Sciences and also Research University. It also requires certification, for example, like teacher must with this teaching registration. It is for continuous professional development, which is called CPD. So the differences are for the philosophy. So in Indonesia, teachers' philosophy or identity is more holistic and it's more focused on moral characters. For example, like in Indonesia, we have a motto that called Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which is mean unity in diversity, and also spiritual. This is, for example, in many or some schools in Indonesia, the teacher invites students to pray before starting the class. But it is regarding or based on their own beliefs. And also character growth. For example, in Indonesia, we have Pancasila Student Profile in our Merdeka curriculum. And for Netherlands, the teaching philosophy is more practical and reflective. So it is more focused on helping students find their own values and academic independence. So the teacher acts as the guidance, not as the knowledge transfer. So in Netherlands, there are curriculum that is called RME. This is a realistic mathematics education. So the teacher gives a realistic problems to the students. For example, like a case study. So the students solve the problem. And also, the differences is for the requirements in Indonesia is more strict because the teacher must follow the strict civil servant or ASN tracks. Okay, next slide please. Okay, the second is teaching models and technique. So the similarity is, although Indonesia is more teacher-centered traditionally, but both countries, Indonesia and Netherlands, is moving toward the student-centered learning environment. And the differences are, in Indonesia, it is more focused on PJBL, which is project-based learning. So it is improving students' teamwork and also national values. Meanwhile, Netherlands is more student-centered or highly student-centered because the teacher acts as guidance.